Hi, welcome back. So here's another one of my don'ts. Don't change your look too much. And I'll tell you what happened to me. All right, so I went in for a network audition. It was for a television show. I was living in New York. And at the audition, they had told us to sing something that we were comfortable with. And I sang an original song that me and some friends of mine in high school had written because we thought we were going to be rock stars, right? And I sang it a cappella. And I had my hair all wild and a real colorful printed dress. And they loved me. I got called back. What did I do for the callback? I showed up, and for some reason, I decided instead to sing one of those songs from The Little Mermaid, and I wore a light blue little form-fitting dress, and I straightened my hair. I was not even the same person that they had seen that they called back. That will have to do with callbacks as well. On a side note to that, if you get called back for a role, make sure that they see the same person that they saw the first time, because that's why they called you back. I will even tell you to go the extent of take a snapshot or, photo on your phone or whatever, write it down, or go home and take the clothes off and hang them in the closet, exactly what you wore that day, because that's what you should wear the call back. Yes, exactly what you wore the first time. Because maybe they're scrolling through 100 video submissions and they go, we can't wait. We love that guy with the blue shirt. Yeah, that blue shirt guy. And you decide to go and, cut your hair shorter and show up in a black shirt, which you shouldn't wear black to an audition. But you're like, where's that guy? They might not recognize you, right? Just make it easy. Wear the same thing again. Don't change your look too much. Another thing that I did in the way of changing your look too much is I once, in between getting cast in a commercial and shooting the commercial, changed the color of my hair. Ooh, that's a big no-no. Don't do that. Once you audition, you have to stay looking exactly as you were until you know whether you got the job or not, or until after you shoot it. I had big, streaky, chunky blonde pieces in my hair, and then I got cast. So luckily, I knew this rule, and I went and got myself a box of hair color, and I colored it back to brown before I went to shoot that day. Or I probably would have gotten fired. The other thing about don't change your look too much, and I just shared the part in the last video about owning who you are. I was up and down, size 18, 12, 8, 10, 16, because I kept thinking that I needed to be some vision of perfect that was not attainable. I would walk into a part that they expected me to be the person they saw last month, and now I was either 3 sizes smaller or 4 sizes larger or whatever. Just be consistent. Be you. Great. All right, just be you. Don't change too frequently. That is my advice. Bye.